everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are making M&M cookies, and I have had to host a bunch of parties, so we've been making a lot of cookies. And M&M was actually requested by Adric and my sister Sarah, so these cookies are for Adric and Sarah. Good times. So let's do it. To make these M&M cookies, we will need 2 cups plus 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon cornstarch, 1 teaspoon baking soda, a half a teaspoon of salt, 3/4 of a cup or 1½ sticks of butter, 3/4 cup packed brown sugar, a half a cup of white sugar, 1 egg yolk, 1½ teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 1 cup of M&Ms. So at this point I'm going to mix all of my dry ingredients together. This includes the cornstarch, baking soda, and salt. I'm going to give it a quick whisk, and then we're going to put that to the side and move on to mixing up our wet ingredients. So to begin, we're going to add our butter, our sugar, and our sugars. 1 and 2. Now we're going to cream this together. So moving on from here, we're going to add in our eggs and our vanilla. So eggs, 2, and vanilla. Alright, and now at this point I'm going to give this a quick scrape. When it comes to making cookies, scraping is also very, very important, because especially, I mean, when you're making a small batch, it's still important, but the bigger the batch gets, the more important it becomes, because you don't want all your fat in the bottom and all your flour on top, because if that happens, when you bake out your cookies, you're going to have really fluffy ones and really thin ones, and you're not going to understand what happened. Okay, now at this point we're going to slowly add in our dry ingredients, thoroughly incorporated, and we'll add some more. Added a little bit too much there. That's okay, we'll wait until that gets incorporated, and you flour get back in your bowl. There you go. And we'll do the last bit. Okay, and that is that. Gonna let that incorporate just, and turn that off. Open it up. I'm gonna give it another scrape. Alright, so clean all the cookie dough off of my paddle, and then I'm gonna fold in my M&Ms, and then it's going into the fridge. So I'm gonna add in the M&Ms. I'm gonna fold those in. Okay. So now we're gonna wrap this up and put it in the fridge, and we'll be done. Boop. So I'm gonna wrap this, and this is just gonna go into the fridge, and we will bake those off later. So I have put parchment on my cookie sheet. My oven is preheated to 375 degrees, and I got my scoop. I'm gonna scoop out my M&M cookies. Alright, and we're just gonna put those like a couple of inches apart. And I'm just going to fill this tray and get it popped into the oven. So the question is,
what cookie am I trying today?
M&M cookie.
Ooh. Look how colorful that is. Who doesn't love a good M&M cookie with the reds and the blues and the greens and the explosions of color? Ah yes, ever the classic.
It's a good cookie.
The M&M cookie is truly only as good as the base, much like the chocolate chip cookie. The same concepts.
But you know what's really good? I'm going to put a card here is if you use Riley's cookie base and then use the classic mix of M&Ms, the peanut butter and plain M&Ms all together. That's also a good time as an alternative if you don't want to try this. Or you can try putting that mix in here instead of the mini M&Ms. That's also a good alternative.
Or you can just cut out the middleman and have the peanut M&Ms, which are the best, and forget about making the cookies because the peanut M&Ms are good on their own. I mean, make the cookies, baby.
Until next time, bye. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed what you saw and would like to see more content like this, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know when I have uploaded again. And from all of us at the channel, take care, be safe, and...
Come on. She put me in the corner.
Well, I'm glad we